Okay, my new prop firm robot is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entry rules that need to confirm each other before the trade is open. And if I show you the backtest, you will see that it looks like really stable balance chart. And I've spent a few months preparing this robot, and before I put it on challenges and funded accounts, I decided to share it with all of my subscribers so you can test it yourself for free. But before you do that, let me show you what the strategy behind this robot is and how you can backtest it yourself on MetaTrader. And of course, it is best to try on a free trial or demo account before risking any real money. So the expert advisor uses fixed stop loss and take profit with a good risk reward ratio of 1 to 2, which means that if you're going for a 10k account and you trade with 0.3 lots, you would be risking $95 and you'll be targeting $174, and that's with standard leverage 1 to 100. I'll show you some of the inputs. For example, I have set an entry time from 1 a.m. until 11 p.m., which means that there will be no new trades at the market rollover or at midnight, when the brokers usually increase the spreads drastically and we see such gaps. And if we have a new trade that opens during this time, we will end up losing money. So this robot will not open trades at midnight. The main indicator is still envelopes, and we need to see the bar opens above lower band after opening below it. Period is 40, deviation is 0.08, which means that if we are going for a short trade, we need to see the price going outside the bands, and once there is a bar that opens inside the envelopes, we would open a short trade. The very same thing with the long trades. Right in here we have an example. So if the price is below the lower band of the envelope and it gets inside, the first bar that opens will trigger the entry. The take profit is placed automatically, stop loss is below, but we need to see a confirmation from the other 5 indicators, which are D marker is higher than the level line, accelerator oscillator rises, MACD line rises, Williams percent range rises, and RSI rises. So when all of these indicators show the same directional signal, we will have the trade open. And if I go through the chart one more time, you will see that right in here we have a long trade that hit the take profit. Prior to that, we have a short trade that ended up hitting the stop loss. Here we have a profitable long trade, but you can backtest the expert yourself on MetaTrader. And before I show you how to do that, let me tell you about the sponsor of today's video. They are called FX2 Funding, and they offer super simple one-stage evaluation. If I show you the accounts, you will see that the 10k account is just $95. So if you are new to prop firms, it means that you can buy 10k challenge for $95. If you pass the challenge or you reach $1,000 as profit target, but you stay within 4% daily loss, you will get $10,000 of a trading account, and you will get up to 85% from the profits you earn. The 25k challenge is $190, the 50k challenge is $285, and the 100 and $200,000 challenge is $475 and $925 respectively, which is way cheaper than the FTMO. If I show you the trading objectives on FTMO, you will see that the 200k challenge is €1,080, which is about $1,140 at today's rate. And And what you need to bear in mind is that with FTMO we have two-step evaluation. With the first step we have the FTMO challenge, then we have the verification, and then you get funded. While with FX2 funding we have one-step evaluation, which makes it just easier. And if you use a coupon code Petko10, you will get extra 10% discount on any challenge you select. With that being said, thank you guys so much for sponsoring, and now let me go back to the FTMO Robot, which is suitable for any challenge or funded account that you select. So what I will do right now is I will export it for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. So it is up to you if you want to backtest it on MT4 or MT5, but keep in mind that MT4 uses fixed spreads while MT5 uses real spread, just like with AI Studio. So if I move my mouse through the candlesticks, you will see that the spread changes with every bar. And of course you can backtest it with a demo or live account, trial, funded, challenge, whatever you have. I will use for the purpose of this video a small live account that I use to test new expert advisors, and I have this robot already in the navigator and I can test it. I'll stick to entire history and we'll see how much of data MetaTrader provides. Deposit is 10k, which is okay. I'll just hit start and you will see that the backtest shows with all of the indicators on the chart. If I just slow it down, you will see how new positions are being opened and closed. If I do it a little bit faster, you will see that there is a short trade right with this example and the take profit was hit. So this is if you select to use a visual mode, and you will have a better idea about the strategy. I'll just increase it to the maximum so we can see the backtest results, and here is the graph of the backtest. If I compare it with the AI Studio, you will see that it is absolutely the same. Just on MetaTrader it starts from the beginning of 2020, and in AI Studio we have bars since 2015. So I will quickly change that. I'll go to data horizon. I will select the 1st of January 2020 and I will see the same backtest as the one we have on MetaTrader. Just on AI Studio it is a little bit squeezed, while on the MetaTrader strategy tester it displays in a wider window, but the results you get might be slightly different because one more time MetaTrader 5 uses live spreads and it depends on the spreads your broker offers. So it is a good idea to try a few different brokers or prop firms to see where you are getting the best results, and the one that shows more profits obviously offers lower spreads. And this prop firm robot I have prepared to trade on 7 different markets, just like the FTMO robot I'm using right now. And if the new pack of EAs performs better, I will start using it. So if I show, for example, the Aussie New Zealand, you will see slightly different balance charts. And as I said, this is a brand new prop firm robot that I created for myself, for my subscribers and students. So I will give you the euro dollar robot for MT4 and MT5. You guys make sure to test it first on a demo, backtest it, do whatever you want with it, and give me your feedback down below in the comments. It will be really precious for me to know how it works with everyone, so potentially I can improve it. With that being said, I really thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Before you go, check out this video on my side to learn more about the current version of the FTMO robot that I use. As always, trade safe, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.